guys? It's 2 in the morning. I'm currently at work in my truck doing my paperwork for my start. I gotta go make a delivery to Burlington Coat Factory. So today's video I'm gonna do an install on my Toyota Avalon. The side mirror, as you saw, well, I got rid of my TikTok because I kept getting hacked, and then I had to fix the driver's side mirror because it was broken off. So my father backed up the car, hitting the fence, and just destroyed the driver's side mirror. So my sister actually bought the side mirror, and now I'm going to go install it when I get off of work. So I'm only going to do 10 hours today. If I have the hours, I just got to verify. Do my inspection on my computer. I already did my walk around, so I just gotta do the in-cab part. So I have 11 hours of driving available today, so I'm only gonna do 10, so I'll end my day with like 69 hours for the week. Yeah, I just gotta, so my alarm went off, but yeah, I just gotta do that today and then pretty much go home, and that's it. I have the jump starter. Maybe I'll jump to 240. Haven't done nothing with that. I gotta pull the engine, like I said, and I need to clean out the hydraulic lifters because they are tapping. So I gotta pull those out, clean them, and then soak them in oil. So I've been watching some videos on how to do it correctly, and then I will take care of that because, like I said, I don't want to mess with the car. So I don't even drive the car. I don't have time because I work 6 days a week, 70 hours a week, and on Sundays I am just recovering and relaxing at home because I'm beat from working 14 to 12 hours a day. So, alright y'all, I'll see you guys when I'm off my shift, and we'll get started on the Toyota Avalon. So this is the type of stuff I don't like about truck driving. Is I'm here at my destination, gates closed. I got my pin I'm putting in, but it's not opening the gate, and I'm pretty sure I gotta get my trailer that's over there. But I'm partially in the street. This road says no trucks over 5 ton, but I have no choice but to drive on that road to get here. And now I can't get in, and I'm in the street in the Bay Area. So if I get a Bay Area cop, I know they're not gonna be nice to me. So struggles of driving a truck in the Bay. So, and I don't know why this pin code's not working. I mean, they said they're not gonna be open till freaking Monday at 8 a.m. It's Saturday. So I gotta wait for a message on dispatch on what I'm gonna do with this empty trailer, if I'm getting loaded or I'm dropping off and picking up a trailer that's backed up to a dock door. So just sit and wait now. So I made it back to the rail yard, dropped off the trailer, and right when I was back in the trailer, I heard a and look, debeaded. Just like all our car guys that have stretch tires. So if you guys know what a debead is, that's what it is. Came off. So there's still nails on that thing. It just, I don't know what happened. I had air pressure this morning. But yep, get that fixed and back to work. Alright, so I'm here off work, tired, and here's the damage. So, gotta take off this door panel, or I might just be able to pop this off and swap it. So, take this off, I might not have to remove this like the Hondas or 240. So, because I know this one I had to take the door panel off. So let's do a quick swap real quick. Damn, so I already cut myself. But I got this cover off. It's simple. So just popped it off. I think this was the part that I was holding on the most right here. So right here, popped this part off, and then the corner I just took a flathead and then popped it on the bottom. Came off, three screws, and unplug this and then swap it, done. So I didn't think it was gonna be this easy. Shit, it's gonna be a fast video. So let me do the quick swap and then we'll start up the RBS 13 because I haven't started or moved it in I don't know how many months. So let me go do the swap real quick. Yeah. So all done, popped it on. Mirror is on. Everything is good. You can tell it's the same material.
Put that in your viewer?
Yeah.
Good.
So, and then here's my dad. Want to say hi, Papa? So my dad's, what, 85 now?
Huh?
You're 85?
Ooh.
You? 85 years old, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 85.
I'll be no.
84? How old are you?
I'll be 85.
Yeah, 85.
1938.
Yeah, so you'll be 86 next year.
I have a ticket. I don't know what's the number. I'll give you that ticket.
So my dad's gonna do the lotto ticket. All right, I'm gonna fire this up. So I gotta get the jump pack. We'll see if it starts up. So, all right, here we go. All right, so jumper's on. We are ready. I believe I'm mirrored out. I got my boots on, so this is gonna be hard. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, let me close the door. So, if you're new to the channel, this is the Lemonade drift car giveaway that I won for $45. And I had to remember what key it was because it's been this long. So I don't get no power. So what's going on? Check the jumper. Golly. Hold on, I'll be back. All right, here we go. Give it some gas. Come on. Oh, gotta reset the battery. So kill the jumper. I'm gonna try to plug it in, see how much power I can get. And then we'll try it again. So close the garage, put the tag on, mirror on, so Avalon's good. Gotta put the tag on the Lexus and then we'll be set. So I'm gonna go inside and eat with my mom and dad and charge the jumper and then we'll try again.
Just for yourself if you want.
Yeah, okay. Car is running. Just run for a while. I haven't started, drove it. It's going. Driving the car. Oh, I sat down and the damn seatbelt was right here and I backed right into it, hit me in the back. Oh, I'm like hurting right now. Like took the air out of me. There we go. Oh, let me go take the jumper off. Oh, my back hurts. So you can hear the lifters. I gotta take them out and clean them. So I gotta pull the valve covers off, take out hydraulic lifters, take them apart, soak them or clean out, make sure they're like, I forgot what they're, I was watching a video on how to do it, and then I got to soak them in oil and then put them back to get rid of the clicking. So I guess this is common on the RB25s. So like I said, I'm still learning, so we'll have to fix that. But I was like, I really want to pull the engine so I can just do the engine bay already and paint it, because I think that'll be a fun project for me. But yeah, so it's running. Smell it, it's running rich too. So for people who don't know about the car, on this channel I have the Lemonade. Check out Lemonade. So this is the car Randy put together, painted it. So it is on the BN kit, Origin Labs wide body or fenders, front and back, 326 wing. We got work wheels. Interior was just stock. All I did was put the prism seat in. So I got to get another prism seat. I know a lot of people give me shit for NRG, but I like NRG. I've been using it since they came out. I had no problems. Has the China doors. I backed out of ordering the carbon hood, but eventually that'll be it. I changed it to the fiberglass air vent for the intake. I gotta do a front mount intercooler. I lower it because the intercooler actually sits up high here, and I have the air vent covered. I forgot what the damn thing's called. Sorry, I'm tired. Yeah, so I'm gonna run it, let it charge. Then yeah, I got the lights with the kit. I just gotta get the plug ups. Yeah, see, making some funny noise. Like I said, probably gonna have to be retuned. Pull the engine, retune it, go through it. Big top mount turbo still. I can't do this. This is all stock. So once I do the top mount turbo, pull the engine, most likely I'll have Auto Up, Randy from Auto Up Garage, paint the valve cover. I want to do the engine bay. I think that'll be a fun project for me to do. And then, yeah, like I said, it is a drift car, but I would love to make it into a show car, because I've always wanted a show car like this. So, I mean, it looks really good, and people think it is a show car, but it's not. This is a straight up drift car. It's easy to slide in, it's on bags. And I haven't been drifting since 2004 in my RX-7. And this one right here is just easy. I don't even have the clutch kick. I can just throttle through and it goes. So this is very fun. Other than that, yeah, so. But yeah, so got the car running. Side mirror is fixed. We have no issues with that with the Avalon. I put the registration on here. I gotta put the registration on my Lexus next. And then I'm gonna go home and chill and relax, and then eat something because I'm hungry. I didn't eat any of the rice and fish because I know I'm old, so I gotta watch the carbs and stuff. So I was like, maybe I'll go get some vegetables somewhere. But yeah, so car's running fine. I have like 3 different steering wheels for this. I use the hard one because when I go take it to a show or something, the girls and the kids love it. But I have the Vertex wheel for this, and then I have a Mad Mike steering wheel for when I drift. Yeah, I gotta thinking about changing those gauges, put the air vent back, and then change the gauge where it's 2 here. And maybe do like a Haltech in here or something. Get rid of the OEM one. So I would like to do something modern. I've been replacing all the rear interior because that was all gutted. So I replaced all the rear interior. I just got to get the Street Faction seat cover. I got the top mount cover. I got to get the trunk, but I want to do like a wood grain or like wood flooring in the trunk. So with the then do something with the tank, paint it or something. So trying to make everything I can do on a budget while taking care of my parents and my family and my house. So a lot of responsibility I got on the table, but it is what it is. So yeah, so sorry I haven't been back in a while making videos. I've just been grinding it out. It's Christmas here, and I gotta make this money to give my daughter her presents, and her birthday's coming up too. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the video here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll hope to make another video and kick it with me. And oh yeah, but I want to let you guys know I've kind of finalized already my clothing. This is the brand I'm going to be representing, Royalty. So once I get the shirts going, I will have merch for sale. So if you want to support the channel, buy a shirt, help me out. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know once I get everything situated. But yeah, thanks for kicking it with me, and happy holidays. Peace out, guys.